Hey guys, I'm Eric the Raider. Welcome to my channel where I review products for the common man. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product from Crossrope Jump Rope. But before I do that, I ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button, and if you like this product, hit that like button. Now, the product I'm going to be reviewing is from Crossrope. It's Crossrope Jump Rope. I purchased these ropes back in about 5 months ago. I purchased it for the purpose of enhancing my cardiovascular routine. I purchased the Get Fit option, which was for $238. The Get Fit option comes with green and white. The green is a quarter pound, and the white option, the white rope, is a half pound. And it comes with the slimline handle, and it comes with gray and black. Gray is the 1 pound and the black is a 2 pound rope, and it comes with the power handles. Pretty much how it works is think of a fidget spinner. It just spins on a ball bearing, one handle with a linked, pretty much a quick interchangeable clasp, which pretty much all the ropes are the same, and it just clips in, and you could interchange the ropes, the different weighted ropes. The rope, it's pretty much on seem like a hand stitch slip. It feels like rubber material around the handle, which is very ergonomic for the slim line. For the heavy handle, it's pretty much one size, and it's well balanced, but it operates pretty much the same like the slim line for the heavy handles. For the rope itself, it's in a braided steel, and each tip has the weights on it if you look at it, but they're all in black. It's not, you can't really easily see it, but you can make it out. And of course you have the quick disconnects each point. As far as when I ordered it, I ordered the medium. I'm 5'8", so the medium fits for me. When you go to the website, you have a drop down menu that shows you pretty much each size based on the height of the person. For the small is for 5'9" to 4'5" person. For medium is 5'4" to 5'8". For large rope is 5'9" to 6'1", and extra large is 6'2" to 6'9". So you have to purchase rope based on your height. If you fit in any of those height categories, you have to buy the rope so it could work for you better. When I purchased this package, I also purchased the mat with it. The mat ran me $59. I purchased the mat so I could maintain the longevity or the length of the rope, pretty much. Because the more you use this outdoor without protecting it, it's going to deteriorate the rubber coating on the jump rope. So I wanted the jump rope to last as long as possible. So I got the mat, and it also helps with the jumping up and down on your joints. It helps with that because this is a plyometric type workout, so it helps with the joint impacts. As far as the warranty, the handles comes with a lifetime warranty. Of course, they have a list of stipulations what dictates the warranty on these handles, especially if you use them for clients and stuff. You know, you're getting a lot of use out of it. So obviously, you have to go to the website and make sure you check if you fall into that category. As far as if one of your handles break or something. As far as the ropes itself, it says there's no warranty covers on the ropes, obviously. So if your rope breaks, you have to get a new rope on your own. As far as the maintenance of them, what I try to do each time, every so often, how I clean it, I pretty much basic soap and water in a rag, and just wipe down the rope and wipe it with a dry rag. I don't leave any moisture on it because you have like metal points. You don't want it rusting. So I wipe it down with basic soap and water, and wipe it dry with a clean dry cloth. As far as the handles, same thing, soap and water. I wipe it down clean, and then I'll use WD-40 to for the moving points for the ball bearing, so it could run smoothly. I've gotten where it fell and hit dirt, and then it doesn't spin as freely, or you hear grinding. I'll spray it with WD-40, and it's back to working how I want it to work. Pretty much that's the basic operation of this rope. It also has a app which has free access where you have a bunch of different workout you could follow along with it, which I found that was great. If you don't feel like designing your own workout, they have an app that's free. They also have a paid version of that app on a monthly fee, which I'm not too sure. You have to go to the website to find out the monthly fees on that. But as far as this setup, I like this. I would rate this a 5-star. This is a great product in any type of workout, whether it's a home gym or you go to a regular gym. This is a great option to your cardiovascular routine. Other than that, pretty much I would definitely upgrade eventually once I get. They have so much different option out there right now as far as weighted rope. I think it goes up to like a 4-pound rope, which has a different handle. But for now, this works great for me. But I definitely like this option. Thank you guys for watching this review. Until next time, have a good day and God bless you.